Alright, so next day, at it, I got all my parts I need, blah blah blah. So I got the bushing. This bushing was loose and bad, so I'm like, oh fuck. So this one has a ridge, and it can only go in and out one way. And it sits like this inside of there. But I had nothing the perfect size to seat up against. See these tiny little metal ridges? There's 1, 2, and 3. That's all they give you to put a cup up against to press that out. But I didn't have the right size cup because it's like the perfect size, and this ball joint kit doesn't have it. And I didn't have any kind of sockets that would have worked. So what I had to do is I literally had to sit here with a cutoff wheel and cut this ridge off the old bushing, so I could put a cup on the steel below it so I can press it out. I dug into the metal a little bit, but that won't matter. Whatever works. Alright, so I got the cup on there. I'm using my 1 3/8 short socket, and well,